Yeah, now I want to discuss the scope of the calendar over here. Like once the user is connected, then they will click on the calendar. The AI will analyze that calendar and will get all the events present in their calendar. So by using this, they can something like that click on discuss and it will gives the summary and the actions, and as well as it can create the new event also on behalf of that. Can you create an event name Google app publish and event date is 2024 05 sorry 04 10 a.m. No attendees. I have given the description something like this. So then it started understanding the user query, and it I will help you in creating. So event title, start date, and end date. To ensure event is good, please confirm the end date. So then attendees, location, reminder. Okay. So I'm just saying end date and time is, so just let's say I can say May 5th 10:30 a.m. And location is like Google Meet. Reminder 30 minutes before. So it's given complete start date, end date, location, attendees, reminder, additional steps. I will proceed to create a. Should you need to add more details or make any adjustment? It's asking the confirmation before going to create. Yes, please proceed to create. Yes, the event has been created successfully, and we have the event link also to go there. So this is the over Google Calendar scopes that we are implemented over here, and as well as other scopes. Just I want to discuss. So as already I have connected, so here I can go to the agent, and here I can like Google Analytics scope where check my website traffic data. So by clicking on send, so already it's connected. Then it will go to my Google account, analytics account, and it fetch the data and it shows over here. So this is the number of sessions, and so about us page, contact us page, success page, and the bounce rate and average session duration they have. So if I ask like who are live users connected currently. So like that way I can ask the number of questions about my Google Analytics data. This is a real-time active users. I got it. Something like this. So we have implemented the calendar and analytics. And one more thing is I can send the emails over here. For example, like mail.send scope over here. Just want to discuss. Let's say this. Just go here. So this is a test email I got. Just I want to send it again back. Hey, can you send an email to something like this? uh, Subject is test and email bodies test email from Stratpilot. So here asking the confirmation recipient mail subject and body confirmation. with the subject and is there anything? No, it's asking decent confirmation. Yes, please proceed. Yes, success. Email sent successfully. Something like this. So we are using these scopes.